Hello chess lovers, I have a mind-blowing game for you played by Joseph Henry Blackburne. The name of his opponent is unknown and the game was played in 1880 in England. White started with e4 and e5 by Blackburne, knight f3, knight c6, bishop c4, white is going for Italian game, bishop c5 and an ultra aggressive move by white, bishop takes f7. King takes f7, but this is not enough. Now white is sacrificing the second piece. Knight takes e5. This is the Jerome Gambit. White sacrifices two pieces in hopes of exposing black's king and obtaining a mating attack. But let's see, will white manage to succeed in his plans? We see knight takes e5, queen h5 check. Now white will win one of these pieces. g6, queen takes e5, forking the bishop and the rook. Looks like that white will win one more piece. And not to be outdone in generosity, Blackburne plays d6, allowing queen takes h8, queen h4, threatening queen takes f2, and then bishop g4 checkmate. White castles kingside. Actually, this is a very daring decision. Now comes knight f6, c3. On the surface this looks like a normal move. White is preparing d4 and then developing his pieces, but it turns out that after this move white's position is collapsing. It was better to place the queen on d8 square, attacking the pawn on c7, if bishop b6 then e5, and if d takes e5 then queen d3, activating the queen and bringing into life from this passive h8 square. But instead, as I have already mentioned, after knight f6 we see c3. Here comes knight g4, threatening checkmate in one, h3. Here comes the bishop takes f2 check, king h1, and now you can pause the video and try to find Blackburne's next moves. Ready? He played mind-blowing bishop f5, allowing white to capture on a8 as well. Queen takes a8, and now can you find checkmate in 2? Ready? Here comes, boom, queen takes h3 check. Look at this. And after this forced g takes h3, we see bishop takes e4 checkmate. This is just a spectacular checkmate. Having accepted white's sacrifice of two minor pieces, Blackburne responded by returning the knight, then sacrificed both rooks and the queen and delivered checkmate with his three remaining minor pieces. Look at this mighty monsters checkmating white king. This is not a game, this is a chess bomb. If you enjoyed this amazing game, don't forget to give the thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. More games are coming. Good luck.